The Lectric XP 2.0 is a great bike, but it has one major shortcoming: the battery. Stick around and I'll show you how to swap the Lectric XP 2.0 battery. I swap the batteries on my XP on a daily basis as I use my bike for commercial purposes, resulting in a lot of open-close cycles. After 3 months of continuous open-close cycles, the hinge started creaking and the locking mechanism began to jam. Thankfully, a little WD-40 solved the issue. Initially, I promised a very efficient way of swapping the XP 2.0 battery, but after further consideration, I decided it best to stick with the tried and true method, as the easy method may lead to the battery falling and getting damaged if not careful. And I'm not going to court. Here is the tried and true method of swapping the battery on the XP 2.0. Step 1. Turn the bike off and turn the key to the off position. Do not remove the key. Step 2. Unlock the hinge and fold. Step 3. Flip the bike gently on its back while being careful not to scratch the paint or damage the fenders. Step 4. Unlock the battery and remove the key. Step 5. Use a tiny handle on the battery to pull it from the down tube. Be careful not to drop. Step 6. Insert the second battery, insert the matching key, and turn the key to the off position to lock the battery in place. Step 7. Unfold the bike and close the locking mechanism. Step 8. Turn the key to the on position and ride safely. Yes, I know swapping the battery on XP 2.0 can be a chore, but I've gotten it down to a science. If you need more range than the XP 2.0 provides, maybe it's best to look elsewhere or purchase a newer 14 Ah battery that Lectric now offers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I am Terane. Subscribe!